How to say "How are you?" and respond naturally in English. Hey everyone, today we're learning one of the most common English questions, how are you? It's not just about the words, knowing how to respond naturally is the key. We're going to jump straight in, here we go. Okay, number one, how to respond to how are you? Here we go. I'm good, thanks. Simple and friendly. Example, hi Sarah, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? This is very, very natural. Let's do it again. Hi, Sarah. How are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? You're repeating and answering the question back to them. Practice this on your own, and we'll move on to the next one. This one. I'm great. I'm great. This shows enthusiasm, okay? Example. Hey, how's it going? I'm great. Just come back from a trip. So you can tell a story about something that you've just done. And this expands the conversation. Let's have a look again. Hey, how's it going? I'm great. Just come back from a trip. You can tell a story and you can expand the conversation very easily with I'm great. Again, this means enthusiasm, excitement. Number three, I'm fine, thanks. It's polite and formal. Let's have a look at the example. Good morning, how are you today? I'm fine, thanks. Good morning, how are you today? I'm fine, thanks. This is very simple, like I said, polite and formal. You would say this walking down the street, and maybe if you saw a friend and they said hello to you and saying good morning, how are you today? I'm fine, thanks. You can carry on and say something back like how are you today? You can repeat the question, but this is a very easy, polite and formal way of doing it. Number four, not bad. It's casual and relaxed. Not bad. Example, how are you? Not bad. Just a little busy at work. Okay, this happens anywhere. This can happen anywhere. I can have friends where I'm talking to and they'll say, hey, how are you? I go, I'm not bad. I'm just a little bit busy. It's casual, relaxed, but also shows that you're probably not focused on having a conversation because you are a bit busy. I'm not bad, but I'm a bit busy right now, okay? It comes across that way. That's how you want to look at it as part of a conversation. Different meanings when answering this, it can you can tell what's happening in the situation. Number five, I'm okay, I'm all right. They kind of work the same, so I'm going to put them together. It's a natural response. Example, hi, how are you doing? I'm okay, thanks for asking. I'm all right, thanks for asking. They're the same. They feel the same, so that's why I'm putting them together. You get an extra one in this one. Number six, I've been better. Okay, this one's honest and casual. Let's have a look at the example. How are you? I've been better. It's been a long week. Okay, this means that you're talking serious, it's casual and it's honest, but it's a way of really portraying your feelings in a conversation. I've been better. Okay, number seven, there's three for this one because I'm just going to put them together. You're getting extra ones in this one, it's okay. Fantastic, amazing, wonderful. You can use these as answers. Let's have a look at the example. How's your day? Fantastic. I just got some great news. Amazing. I just got some great news. Wonderful. I just got some great news. So if you're feeling excited about something that has happened on that day, you can share that as a story. And it's just one word. Fantastic. Amazing. Wonderful. I just got some news. This is positive and enthusiastic. Number eight, a bit tired. A bit tired. Okay, this is honest and casual again. Hey, how are you? A bit tired. I stayed up late studying. Okay, again, this is a way to expand on stories. Number nine, could be better. It's polite and honest. Like I said, some of these are more positive and negative ways of saying things. You just have to pick the right one. Example, how are you? Could be better, but thanks for asking. Now, this might be a situation where you're feeling down about something, and there's many examples that I could give you for that. And like I said, it's finding the right time to say it. Your answer really comes from your feelings in this. Number 10, this is an interesting one. Thanks for asking. It's being polite before giving any response. Let me give you the example. This one's a little bit different. Hi, how are you? Thanks for asking. I'm doing okay. So you're thanking them for talking to you. This is a really nice one. I like this. This really welcomes the other person into the conversation and lets them know that they have worth in that conversation. It builds confidence. It's a great one. Thanks for asking. So next time someone asks, how are you? Don't just say, fine. Try one of these, I think I did 13 in the end. They're natural responses with real sentences and sound more fluent in English. Guys, if you enjoyed this, in the comments, let me know which one do you use or which one will you use, and was this helpful? Because I really hope it was. I'm going to catch you later. Please don't forget, like, subscribe and all that stuff. I'm a new channel building stuff here and I hope you're enjoying it. My name's Scott and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.